Hi guys, it's Sharon and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this super cool girl hair. It's meant to be like, I woke up like this, I didn't even try, I'm too cool for school hair look. So it's really easy, and if you're interested, keep on watching. I have a cough drop in my mouth because my throat is like so dry for some reason. My hair is like dirty, like I need to wash it, but I decided to do some curls and all I did was blow dry it with the Dyson. It's like literally the most amazing thing in the world. It comes with this one and it just like snaps right in there, and it also comes with like a different diffuser thing for more curly hair, but I've just been using that and like my hair is so frizzy, and this product claims to get rid of frizz and it really does, which is so insane to me because my hair is always frizzy no matter what. Like I've tried every product and it always gets frizzy, and literally all I changed in my routine is the hair dryer and now I have straight unfrizzy hair. Just did this with this brush and just like comb it as I'm blow drying it. I didn't even do section by section. I just like super quick, super easy. I think it took me like 15 minutes. Just out of the shower, blow dry my hair like straight up. Also what I did when I finished is I put the memory mist in, and this helps a lot also. Like I've slept in this hair. This is like day 3 hair, day 3, and my hair is still straight. Like I kind of gave it a little bit of a wave here with this brush, but this sets your hair and it's still soft and touchable. It's not like hairspray. It's like a new technology that Jen like helped develop or something, and it makes your hair stay however it is. Like it's activated with heat. So when I dried my hair, I just sprayed that all over, and then I went with the blow dryer again just to activate it, and then I was done. I'm just gonna be using this Conair. It's like a 1.5 inch, and I'm just gonna be doing like random sections. With the memory mist, your hair is gonna stay however it is with the heat. So if you want it to loosen a curl, you have to do it right away before it cools. And I try to alternate like forward and backward curls. I'm not gonna do all of it. I'm literally just gonna do like some random pieces because I don't want it to be curly. I just want it to be like super piecey. And now I'm just gonna do this Ouai dry texturizing spray. This is literally amazing. So what I do is I just like squirt it as it's falling. See how that gives you like volume? I haven't perfected this. I'm still like... So you're supposed to do it as it's like falling. And it's supposed to give you like this crazy volume. You can already see the difference a little. And that is it for my hair tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!